Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. I will show you boot menu settings and install Windows process in my Dell Optiplex 3010 PC. First we will install the SSD into the PC, then I will insert a bootable pen drive for installing Windows. Before that you will must need to backup data from your C drive, so you will backup from desktop, document, download picture and video and other document. Then you will press F12, pressing again and again, and after coming the Windows, you see here three device. First one is hard drive, second is SSD, and third is USB storage device, which is bootable pen drive. So I will select it and enter. Again enter. This PC's BIOS have only legacy mode. There is no UEFI. So you select the Windows, next, check mark, next, install. Here you see the lot of drive. Here all the drive is hard drive. You must need to delete system, C drive, reserve, and all the small drive which is created automatically. And here you see unallocated device, and I will not format it. I will format only SSD. Before starting install Windows, you must need to unplug internet connection. If you do that, you get 3 minute or 5 minute save. So here you see I have no internet connection. Click here. Before starting install Windows, you must need to unplug internet connection. If you do that, limited connection, you put in here a username. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.